So, hello and welcome everyone. This is Bit7 online streaming session. And today we're gonna make some trading with Bitcoin, discuss many different things, including some new trading strategy. As before, we're having experiments with our streaming sessions, and by the way, we're trying new scalping strategies. So let us see what is going on today. We are here at the bit7.com platform. Maybe some of you don't know, but we already had a few streaming sessions, and this is like the third one. So let's see what we have. Okay guys, so here we are. This is Bitcoin daily chart. Let's have a look. So let's change the time scale. So generally speaking, we see the clear uptrend since 7 o'clock GMT. My time is GMT plus 3, and this shows the GMT time. By the way, guys, we're here to discuss, to communicate, to share experience. So if you have questions, if you have suggestions, if you, well, everything, you can type it in chat. You can type in the YouTube chat. Hello, hello, nice to meet you. Um, uh, Shrek, yes, may I call you Shrek? How are you doing? Are you experienced trader? Okay, let's continue. By the way, do you hear me well? Uh, is the sound good? So let's continue. So we see a clear uptrend, and those of you guys who entered, maybe you did, at about 8 o'clock. So the possible profit could have been, well, 6 to 26 $26. Well, that's quite. Mm, that's not so bad, because the previous day we had previous streaming session we had clear flat trends. That was not nice, because it's very hard to trade on flat trends. Oh, and let's have a look, because it's interesting thing we have here. I think it's reverse of uptrend, and let us see if we by the way, those of you who don't know, we are trading at bit7.com platform. and here we can press the right button and do this drawings. So for example, if I want to make a clear levels, well, something like this. Yep. So if it so possibly if it goes, for example, lower than this, then we're pretty sure that the trend will go down. But let's see this. I'm looking at the moving averages because this guy uh, had shown me that the trend will go down, and Japanese candles show me too. So maybe I should take a risk and open a position. Hi, it's 7 Crypto. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you again. So let's get risky. And I want to do this. I want to do this. Leverage is 1, everything is good. Let's do this. So as you see, here we have profit and loss, so you can track online what your actual profit or loss is. We can change different time scales, so you can see yep, it went down, all but 13th went down. So generally I think we'll have and where is our position? Let's see this execution price. We can see it here. Yep. Okay, we have to wait. We have to wait. Okay, it goes down. So let's maybe have a look on those. Maybe we should fix our losses. maybe not. Scalping is kind of nervous thing because you always have to make right decision. You have to choose to either stay or either close because you don't want to lose too much. Mm, this kind of baby down. Um, by the way, if anybody guys heard about interesting concept like Elliott waves, type in the chat. Currently, I'm studying it. Maybe the next time you will see something like. Maybe let's see what indicators we have. By the way. Do we have something interesting here? Well, well, well. So let's have a look. So if you think that I should close the position, type in the chat. If you think I should keep it, do the same. Yep, it goes down. Maybe it's not our best luck again because it's kind of. If I started trading just a little bit earlier, like this, it could be a very good opportunity. But right now, I think it's again those flat guys. It's not good. Let's hope for the best. And actually, these guys go down and they close into this. Oh, well, uh, so let's draw another line. Let's draw another line, and it will be well, kinda, maybe. So generally cross that, and if you see like this guy, let's do this. No, not like this. Yep, we see it. So we see that uh, support line was broken. So we're actually having profit. That's nice. That's really nice. How much do we need actually to go through? We have 2015, which is so if we go like, I expect P&L at least like, I mean that digit, yes, that figure, it needs to be at least 0.05 to overcome the commission. So let's see what will happen. Well, I think in the long term we will have it, but actually that's not very well. This kind of, let's see what happens on this time scale. Yep, going up, but I think general trend will be down anyway, because guys, you see that these minimums keep going down and down and down. So that means that sellers generally have an upper hand. So I think, but the struggle is kind of pretty even for a moment. And it will be a slightly reversed situation, but not for a long time, I think so. Yep, it went down, and how much? 0.02. That's nice. That's nice. Well, yep, I think it's a downward movement. Well, guys, you have to have patience in these kind of things, because uh, general trend is down. Yep, 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 yep. Okay. Uh, just you see that? Come on, come on, let's do this. So how much is actually is 16 to 13? Not so. Uh, 16 to 14. Like 2 and 5. Let's and it goes again. And how much actually this is? Well, volatility is not very high today. Mm-hmm. 15 to hop, 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 hop. Let's do. So oh, maybe keep it. Maybe keep it. I want to show a small profit. Yep, let's do this. So let's have a look at our stats. So this is our last order, and it went like order price, and well, that kind of, well, that's not too much, like $1 movement. Yep. So that was our execution amount. The price It's kind of small. It went like from this. Maybe you have some ideas. Let's do this. Mm-hmm. Mm. Okay. So, where did we read it? Yep, it just like one. Well, I expected a little more. That's well, if you do scalping, it's kind of you kind of depend on the executions because I expected like the price to be like 4012 and it executed on the price 2000. Just kind of strange. Kind of strange. Just makes me think about well, I pressed the execute market and it worked like execute market. Let's see. By the way, maybe do this one more time. So that's our profit actually. So not so bad, by the way. And but I expected to be higher because I thought like it would be uh, strange things happening. So it went like this and executed. Oh, we see our points from 4018.2 to 4014, like 4 and what the price execution price uh, makes me wonder. 18 and 14 and 5 and maybe that's a 14. That's a 14, yes. So execution price is correct, but this guy is no, maybe it's commission 18 and 2. Very interesting. Why do we have it so? And the points, and the points. So let's distract from it for a moment. What do we have? We have another upward movement, so buyers or both taking an upper hand again, but not for, oh, it's a clear Japanese star. This is a doji and just perfect picture. Maybe we go and like a cross, well, open up position. Okay, so guys, what do you think? Maybe jump in the running train and cut some spreads here. Dodges again. This shows like and they show, all of them show, no, it kinda too hasty to do this, no, because I think it will just go down again. You see, you should make a decision based on different indicators, and if 2 or 3 shows you to do, you can do, and if it like uncertainty, or maybe one is for and other is against, you should not enter. Yes, as I thought, it will go down again. Okay, guys, so let's have analysis in general. We have, by the way, you can learn about the analytics of our more general timescales in our video, which will come, I think, very soon. So the general trend of the these days is flat, and it's a big dip and slight slow raise. Well, yes, let's analyze on 1 hour candles. Well, kinda flat to up movement. And well, the general picture is kinda, let's do something like this. Well, yes, on the 1 day scale, we see that Bitcoin is slowly, like crypto winter, yes? It's going down, and it's going down again. I wonder what happened here. I think some news. And so in general, it's a bearish picture. Well, in general, I mean day scale. And but in like but intra-week, intra-week. Well, bulls try to compensate a little bit, but we haven't much. Hmm. Hmm. General picture is flat. I mean, picture of like in common, like for months, it's like down, but the last 2 days is flat. Flat is not good. Flat is not good. And uh, dodges again. Well, you can see that stochastic and dodges show us that's not good time to scalp anything. Maybe we can divide it into maybe my animals live in a zoo. Okay. Let's draw something. Well, kinda it went down, but well, maybe a good guess would be to enter a selling position and leave it for like few hours. I think that would be a nice option because the overall downward pressure is pretty big. Yes, it goes up, but I think general trend would be down anyway. So it would be kind of profitable to enter here because our cut loss is big enough, so we don't have to worry about what will happen. I think it's pretty much safe and just wait for some time. Maybe like, let's see for how much. Mm, this, well, this is almost like an head and shoulders, but you see it goes straightly up. Uh, Strange things happen also. Market is very unpredictable. Uh, Maybe have, well, let's see this. And yep, downward pressure is strong. So resistance and support levels might be. Hmm. You see, it's kind of nasty behavior because, well, the strong, like monthly trends are going bearish, but they happen kind of like short spikes or short dips, and they play it back again. And in general, it has the bulls tendencies. So, kind of long position for sell is good, but you have to keep an eye for that. Maybe even make an auto sell option to fix your profit. So guys, I think it's pretty much enough for today. So we have experimented with strategy, with using indicators, and with drawing some interesting stuff. Uh, we were kind of more lucky than the previous time because we saw a more certain trend. It was a bearish trend, and but the general fluctuations is makes it kind of flat trend. So it was better than the other day, but not so good as it could be. So guys, you're welcome to join me next time. We will have streaming sessions on this channel. Previously we did it on Bit7 live trading, and we're trying to make it with a leverage trading channel. So it was a pleasure to talk to you. If you have any questions, suggestions, or maybe investment ideas, I'd like to hear it. So you're welcome. Uh, so nice to meet you again, and see you later. Bye.